Hello everyone, this is Paul Zhang. Today I'll be showing the steps of solving a sophisticated exponent math question. But here, this is one, it's kind of like challenging for the novice, for like people who just starting doing this kind of units. They just confused, okay, what the hell is this? And the first step we just do is to simplify every number. For example, it's like 44, you just turn it into 2 power 2. And then 25 is like 5 over 2, 5 to the power of 2. 125 is, 5 to the power of 3. Well, you just like memorize that, and then you just know it. You just turn it into that. And then here's the next step. Yeah, see, just like that. It's very easy. And because they have like the same power there, you can actually take this out and then times by the x minus 1 here. You gotta time as a whole. Don't just times like 3x minus 1, that's wrong. And be like this. And when we're doing this, we actually find a problem that is like 2/5 and 5 over 2. It doesn't, it seems right, but like it's actually like it's a trouble when you actually want to solve this because they are not the same, but they are actually reciprocal, you see. And the way we can just turn this number reciprocal with, you can just do like a to the power of -1. That's all you have to do. It's very easy. You just add just like a times -1 here, and this number actually can turn to 2 over 5. Just like this. Easy peasy. See, it's just easy, just like that. Well, if you get aware of the negatives, again, times -1. If you, a number to the power of -1 is actually, it's reciprocal. So it's just like that. And then here, and then we're just saying, you might wondering why we like ignore the 2/5. Because the 2/5 here is not the thing that we want. Because clear, this problem is solving for x. And because 2/5 and here has 2/5, they are the same part, you can just basically ignore that. Because like if we say this whole thing is equals to 1 and 2/5 to the power of 1, okay, 2/5 to the power of 1, okay, that's just okay. So they should be the same to make it this equation possible, And so you just do 2 and then bracket that and then equals this. So basically the exponents are equal to each other. And then you just do the simple math there and just do like this. And until you solve it, you will solve the x equals -3 over 5. That's just how easy is that. Okay, now here we move to the next question. This one's actually getting harder and harder. Okay, now let's get into this question here. People might confuse us like, what? Like 16 2x and 3 16? Okay, it's just like, it doesn't make sense, you just don't know where to get in to actually start solving this question. But here we can actually see that the 16x and here the 16 2x. So we can maybe we should try to like to make a 16x and then like a bracket 2. And so this is how I'm doing this. You can just turn into this. And here we see the similar thing here, 16s and 16s. So maybe you can just assume that 16s as a variable, like as an unknown variable, like we never know that, so it's like 16s into an x, like this. And here, oh yeah. And then we just know there's a 6x to the power of 2, 3x, and plus 4. That's just a simple quadratic. And it's very easy to solve it. And because like, this is not actually the hard part of it. Like this one is actually, you can use a factor to do this. But I can just tell you a very easy and fast method. Here, yeah, I'm just putting all the thing into one side, just make it easier to solve it. And this method is actually called the cross method. You see, you take the x2 apart into x and x, and then you're trying to find like factors in -4 that makes that when some of those two numbers actually equal to -3. So okay, there's -4 and 1. Okay, negative 4 times 1 equals negative 4. Negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. So that's possible. So that's right. And then you can just like, you can just say x minus 4 and then x plus 1. That's very easy. You know, you might confuse when I'm saying it, but you actually maybe try some questions out of it. It's just like that, simple like that. Okay, x minus 4 and x plus 1. And then we can just know x may equal to 4 and x may equal to negative 1. Easy as that. Okay, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.